Hello there, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fantastic. So, I have come here again with a simple common problem that lots of people face while they learn English. Let's talk about it. Do you always translate in your head before speaking English? Does it slow you down? Does it make you feel nervous? It happened with me too. It happens with all the people actually when they start learning English or any other languages. You are not alone. In this video, I will show you the practical tips which will help you to directly think in English and stop translating so you can speak faster and more fluently, effortlessly. That will help you to get rid of the problem of translating from your native language into English. So let's dive in and let's talk about it. Why translating in your head is a problem. Many English learners try to think in their native language and then translate it into English and finally they speak it. This causes three major problems. First is it slows you down, okay? You sound unnatural, you pause too much while speaking. That is a very bad thing, right? Your sentences sound unnatural. Some phrases don't translate very well in Hindi or in English, okay? Means if you are trying to translate from your Hindi language into English, that's not gonna be always correct because in Hindi we say मुझे ठंड लग रही है. We say in English I feel cold. We don't say I am feeling cold. That would be a big mistake. You feel less confident. You worry about making mistakes instead of focusing on speaking naturally. Okay, so don't worry. In this video I will show you the practical tips that will help you to start thinking directly in English. Step number first, start with simple English. Thinking in English doesn't mean that you have to start with long phrases, you have to start with long sentences, hard word. No, you just have to start with simple English. Okay, what do I mean by that? You just have to think in one simple word. For example, if you are hungry, do not say in Hindi मुझे भूख लगी है और मैं भूखा हूँ. Say hungry. Okay, if you feel hot means बहुत गर्म है. If you cannot translate full sentences, you can just say hot. It's hot. It's hot. So this is called one word thinking. And then when you are like comfortable with this, when you gradually grow your level, you just can think about short phrases. Okay, start with short phrases now. मुझे ऑफिस जाना है. Don't say that. Say time for office. Time for office. So gradually you will get used to using these things. So step number first is try to think in one word and then try to go to the shorter phrases and then to the full sentences. Gradually try to think only in English. Do not give a thought in your native language. Okay, try to make this a habit. Once it is your habit, you will stop translating from your native language into English. It will be automatically sticking to your brain and you will be speaking by thinking only in English. Okay, so this will happen with you automatically, naturally. Now describe what you see around you. Okay, whenever you have time, whenever you are out, whatever you see, okay, try to look outside, look around and say the sky is blue, that dog is running fast. Okay, I see a man wearing a black shirt, wearing a black hat. Okay, the pro tip, you can actually use your phone camera to record yourself, describe your things, whatever you see in English. This improves your fluency. Step number 3, talk to yourself in English. You don't need any speaking partner. If you don't have, don't worry, you can talk to yourself. In the morning, you can talk to yourself like this. Okay, now I will brush my teeth. I should wear a blue shirt today. In this way, I need to leave in 10 minutes. At night or in the evening, you can talk about your daily activities. Today was a busy day. Tomorrow I have a meeting at 10 a.m. In this way you can talk to yourself. Challenge yourself in this way. Try to go an entire day thinking only in English without thinking in your native language. Okay? Step number 4. Do not rely on Hindi to English or English to Hindi dictionaries. Only rely on English to English dictionaries, English to English definition or meaning. If you have to learn a word, just put that word in the English to English dictionary and have the simple definition for that. For example, big, large in size, happy, feeling joy, fast, moving quickly. Okay, in this way if you find the simple definitions, your brain will start connecting the words from English to English and gradually it will start thinking only in English without translating. Do this. Tip number 5. Change your mobile phone language to English language. Whenever you see something on your mobile phone, that must be in English, not in your native language, okay? Whether you are messaging somebody, writing something, okay? Whether you're watching something, everything try to change from your native language into English. This will definitely help you to think, develop thinking in English. Step number 6. Use English language every day. All the things must be in English language, whether it is listening, speaking, reading, writing, thinking, making habits in English language, or mimicking others, copying others. Everything must be in your second language, which is English, not in your native language, okay? And challenge yourself that you will stick to this rule for about 6 months. And if you can stick, if you will be perseverant and consistent for about 6 months, your brain will start thinking in English gradually. Well, thinking in English must take lots of your time, but with great practice, perseverance, determination, and consistency, you will definitely achieve this thing. You will speak more fluently, confidently, without translating. You will directly think in English. So, which step do you follow first? Please let me know in the comment box. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for such kind of learning tips. Thank you. Take care.